Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 6 to Samsung device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, click on Open. I already downloaded it on my Samsung, so I have to open it right away. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Do exactly the same on Google. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then choose receive on Samsung and send on Google. Following that, tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and click got it. From here we have the connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and after that select receive. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!